Good morning, dear students. Today we shall learn something more. Just there are some sentences, you will read them. Ram reads a book. This is sentence number 1. Second sentence is Mohan likes Ram. Third sentence is Sita is Ram's wife. And fourth sentence is Ram help me. In these 4 sentences, you should see one word is common, that is Ram. Ram reads a book. Mohan likes Ram. Sita is Ram's wife. Ram help me. In these sentences, you will find that Ram has been used in different ways. Ram has been used in different ways. And how to use words in different ways, that we should know. And the chapter which says about the use of any noun or pronoun, that is called case. So today we shall study case. First of all, we will see definition. The use of noun or pronoun is called case. Once again, the use of noun or pronoun is called case. How do we use any noun or pronoun in a sentence? On the basis of that, case of that word is decided. As you saw, in these sentences, Ram has been used in different ways. So in these all sentences, their case is different. Now, we should come to its kinds. It has 4 kinds. It means case has 4 kinds. Number 1, subjective case, which is also called nominative case. Objective case, that is also called accusative case. Third one is possessive case, that is also called genitive case. And number 4th is called case of address. It is also known as vocative case. Here 2 types of names have been written: subjective, objective, possessive, and case of address. And this side, nominative, accusative, genitive, and vocative. Actually, these are the name of modern English grammar, and these are the name of old English grammar. Many changes have come in English grammar to make it easy. In different chapters, I have told you the differences. Those are present in modern English grammar and old English grammar. In this chapter also, we will focus on it. Now, name has been changed, and the name that was nominative, now it is subjective. Accusative has become objective. Genitive has become possessive, and vocative case has become case of address. Now you should see, these names are very easy and itself says something about it. Come to the first one, that is subjective case. The definition is noun or pronoun used as subject is called subjective case. Subjective word is made of subject. It means when any noun or pronoun is the subject of that very sentence, that is called in subjective case. By example, it will be clear. Shyam goes to market. Shyam is the subject of this sentence. So if anyone asks what is the case of Shyam here, you will tell it is in subjective case. I learn English. In this sentence, I is the subject of the sentence. So I is in subjective case. She is writing. Here, she. She is subject of this sentence. So it is in subjective case. And in this sentence, they play cricket. They, subject here. So case of they is subjective here. So Shyam I, she and they are in subjective case because these words are the subject of a sentence. There are some more words in pronoun which are used as subject, like we, you, it, and all nouns can be used as subject. There is no problem in it. Now we should come to objective case. If you see the name objective case, we find that it is made of object. As subjective case, in the subjective case we saw that noun or pronoun is used as subject, and in objective case noun or pronoun will be used as object. So noun or pronoun used as object is called objective case. So when any noun or any pronoun is the object of any sentence, that is objective case. That word is in objective case. We should see example. He helps Shyam. Here Shyam is the object. So Shyam is in objective case. She dislikes me. She dislikes me. Here me is objective case. I love her. Her is the object of this sentence. Her is in objective case. You beat them. Them is in objective case. Here in these sentences, he, I, she, you. These are the subject of sentences. So if anyone asks what is here, what is the case of he, I, she or you, then we will say it is in subjective case. But Shyam, me, her and them are used as object. So case of these words are objective. Now we should come to possessive case. You should see the name case possessive. Possessive is a word made of possession. In this word, in this case, it shows possession. So the word that will show possession, that is called possessive case. Example, this is Mohan's pen. This is Mohan's pen. Here Mohan's. Mohan's is in possessive case. That is his cup. His. This is also possessive case. These books are mine. Mine. Mine is possessive case. And the page of the book is new. The page of the book, it shows possession, so it is in possessive case. There are different ways of making possessive case. When there is any living thing, that time we add apostrophe s to make possessive case. When there is any non-living thing, that time we add of to make possessive case. And sometimes we add only apostrophe in those words which are plural, or those words which ends with s are made possessive case by adding only apostrophe. So there are different words in a pronoun. Those show possession like mine, ours, yours, his, hers, theirs. And in adjective also there are some words like my, our, your, his, her, its. These show possession. So these all are the words of possessive case. Now we should come to number 4, that is last one, case of address. Its definition is it is used to call or address someone. By example, it will be very clear. Rupa, come here. Rupa. It has been used to address or call. So Rupa is in case of address. Children, sit down. Here, children. Its case is case of address. Dear friends, I am always with you. Dear friends. It has been used to address. So it is in possessive. It is in case of address. And stand up, yes. Here, yes has been used to call or address. So it is the case of address. Once again I am summarizing the case. Case means the use of noun or pronoun is called case. It has four kinds: subjective case, objective case, possessive case, and case of address. When noun or pronoun is used as subject, it is called subjective case. When it is used as object, it is called objective case. When it shows possession, it is called possessive case. And when it is used to call or address, it is called case of address. Something more we will learn next day. Thank you. Have a nice day.